I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making broiled chicken tenders. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to broil on high. So this is a super easy recipe, very healthy. We don't need the breading for these broiled chicken tenders. So all they need is chicken tenders, some olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil, or you can also use melted butter if you want. And seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. So here's my baking sheet. You can line it with aluminum foil if you'd like for easier cleanup, or don't line it at all. I'm going to spray it with a non-stick cooking spray so they don't stick. Or you can just grease it with butter. And now I'm going to season chicken tenders. So I'm going to drizzle them with olive oil and just coat them with a thin layer of oil. Just helps keep them moist. And I will also sprinkle them with seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And now toss them so evenly coated with oil and seasonings, and you can always add some more if it's not enough. So I'm going to coat them and flip it over, and I'll actually sprinkle the other side with seasonings separately. So there's enough oil for both sides, so they're coated with oil, but I will add a little bit more seasonings here for this side. So salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. So now they're perfectly seasoned. Let's put them on a baking sheet in a single layer. Perfect. And now the chicken tenders are ready for broiling. So let's take them to the oven. So again, it's preheated and broil on high. So let's put them on the top shelf and cook them. Now the chicken tenders have been cooking on broil for 7 minutes and they're ready. Let's take a look. Perfect. So let's just check to make sure they're cooked through by measuring their internal temperature. Should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So just measure a few, the thickest ones. Yep, they're over 165, so they're cooked through. So if yours aren't cooked all the way through, just return it back to the oven for a few more minutes. But you just, watch them closely. You don't want to overcook them because they'll be tough. So this is perfect, so quick and easy. So I didn't even need to flip them. They're both nicely brown on both sides. So look at this side and this side. So no having to flip means less work for you, and that's exactly how I like it. Super quick and easy. So let me just put them on a plate. perfect. Look at these chicken tenders. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Let me just cut one so you can see the inside. So here's perfectly cooked chicken inside. They're completely cooked through. And let's try it. They are delicious, super tender meat, and it was so quick and easy. So even though it's chicken breast, it doesn't dry out if you don't overcook it. So they cooked so quickly, they're perfectly seasoned, super healthy and delicious. You will love this easy recipe. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!